Hi. How much is the peso?
200.
200. Okay. Thank you.
Chicken breast,
How much is it?
200.
200. All right.
Very fresh like that.
Excuse me.
Ano, sir?
Ooh, no, thank you.
Hey sir, good morning sir.
Good morning.
What can I do for you today? Would you like to buy some chicken?
How much is the peso?
For the breast bite sir, that's 190 per kilo sir.
This one?
Yes, that's still breast yeah.
What about these?
This still are breast too, just that I cut that
But
to
same,
smaller pieces.
same
Yes.
price?
Ah, yes.
Okay.
If you want, you could pick what you want sir, and I can give you a plastic bag here where you could put your hands in here.
Cool.
Right. By the way sir, where are you from?
U.S.
Which state though?
Denver, Colorado?
Oh,
Like Denver Nuggets?
Denver Nuggets, yeah?
Yeah.
But I'm Warrior fan though.
Oh, man. Okay.
I believe today it's quite cold there, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
What's it?
I guess it's always.
No, well, it's summer now, so maybe
Summer now.
maybe it's 28.
Around 28.
Yeah. So that's hot or hot there, yeah.
This is 1 kilo and 0.16, that's around 193.
Okay.
190 always, sir.
190. Yes,
What
sir.
would you like me to do with this? Would you like me to chop this?
Can you cut it off the bone and I'll take the bones
I can
too?
go ahead and remove the bone for you, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Would you like me to remove the skin too?
Sure. And I'll still take the skin and the bones
Yes,
and I'll
of
make
course.
soup.
I will give you the skin and the bones.
Gotcha.
On a separate plan, sir.
Thank you, bro. What's your name, man?
My name is Jess.
Jess?
Yeah.
Good to meet you, man. I'm Chris.
Hi Chris, how are you doing?
I'm good, bro.
How long have you been staying here?
2 years.
And how is it?
Hot?
hot?
It's very hot, man. People are very nice, but it's very hot. here.
Yeah.
I'm used to it snowing all the time, so I come here and I just sweat all day. What time do you start work here?
The stores open usually at around 4 a.m.
Woo.
But we leave the house around 3 a.m.
Okay.
and we close the store at 6:30 or 7, I guess.
At night?
At night, yeah.
Wow. And you're here the whole time?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
I have to.
Hard working, man.
I have a child to raise, sir.
Oh, how old?
He's still in the first grade.
Okay. Yeah, kids are expensive. School.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes I regret.
Well,
I can't do something about it anymore.
when you're old and they take care of you, it'll be
Yeah.
worth it, you know?
Hopefully they will.
Yeah. Keep them in school. That way they get a good job. How long you been doing this?
Well,
Atay, boss.
I started helping my parents. Actually, he's my father.
Ah, okay.
I've been helping them for a very long time, sir.
Okay.
And I was still in elementary until college.
Wow.
Already helping them.
How old are you now?
I'm really 30.
30?
Yeah.
Okay. You look young for 30, man.
Thank you. How about you?
I'm 40, bro.
Well, you look still like 30, sir.
Okay, well that's good. I'll take it.
Here's the skin and the bones, sir.
Perfect. That's
Separate
great.
plastic.
Yes, sir.
And then I'll be giving you a bigger bag
Yeah.
where you can still put your stuff here. I'll give you that. I guess it's still big. Come on.
There you go.
That's it, yeah.
Oh, that's nice, man.
All right, Chris. See you next time.
Thank you very much, Des. Here you go, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
Keep the change, my friend.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Too small, my friend. All right, all of our meat shopping is done. This shit's still recording, guys? Pila? 20. 20? Can I have 2? And some yellow? And two yellow?
Maayong buntag, maayong buntag, ug kumusta ang inyong pagpapagkamot, ang Diyos pagapanalangin kanatong tanan. No, ako si Pastor Alejandro Galvano sa kabatan-on nga alagad sa Dios sa diin nga magawali sa pulong sa Ginoo. Apan sa dili pa ako magawali at mag-ampo nga ang Dios magapanalangin kaninyo. Labing kamuhanan ug balaan ka nga Dios. Salamat Ginoo sa tanang kabuntagon. I-bless niyo mo Ginoo ang makatawan ng kapita sa tanang mga tao na niya karon. I-bless niyo mo Dios ang inyong paningkamot, ang trabaho, pagsulit sila at timanay sila sa matag adlaw Ginoo lugad. Ikaw Dios mag-bless sa kanunay sa ilang tinatalagan ka. Pagumaya ang dahil kanino pinali sa pangalan ng Jesus.
Nah, just walking, my friend. Thank you, bro.
Hey, amigo.
Morning.